Sorted. I've moved the camera a little bit closer, so it's going to cut off my head, but you know what my face looks like, right? So let me explain to you. So the first thing we need is traffic. Not just any traffic, targeted traffic. Or let me say more niche specific traffic. And if you give me a moment, let me use the make money online scenario for a second. So what we need is niche specific traffic in the make money online. You can go for weight class, whatever you feel like, but let's just use an example. So traffic, I'm going to skip step 2, I'm going to go into 3. Products, you need products to sell. Now products, well, that is really the easy part. You already have a product, but to get up to your 10k affiliate marketing, you're going to need to have multiple products. The products will come from JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, ClickSure. Now what's nice about this is you can make $3, $50, $100, $500, $700, $1,000 on a product. You can also earn recurring income on a product. Now where I like to play around is in the big multi-million dollar, or maybe say billion-dollar industries. They are evergreen. So why am I saying evergreen? Be it winter, be it summer, make money online, everybody still wants to do it. Niching down becomes a little bit of a problem. The traffic becomes harder to find, as well as the products to sell become harder to find. So if we keep it in general, we covered. So just as a recap, we need traffic, targeted, niche specific traffic, product to sell. Then the most important thing we need is a system. Now what I mean by a system is a system that can follow up for you. You see, the problem is customers would not necessarily buy the first time they see your product. So you need a way to follow up with them and present your offer to them the whole time. In real life, if you were to make a phone call or if you were to go out and see a customer, you'd most probably have to follow up about 7 times. Now on the internet, it's way more difficult. Why? Customers have the attention span of a net. They get pulled in all kinds of different directions. They see your product, immediately they forget about your product. And that is why you have to follow up. Sometimes 5, sometimes 10, might even be up to 20 times. So how do you follow up? Let me show you what we're going to do. So first of all, we need traffic. That traffic we're going to send through to a landing page, or what is called a lead capture page. Now, not everybody would sign up and submit their email address, but you're going to get about 20 to 30% of those people signing up. Once you've collected the email address, this would be stored in your autoresponder. The autoresponder I have set up to send follow-up emails. No, it's not what you're thinking. It's follow-up emails. Once you've landed on this page, that actually asks him, in general, would you be interested in making money online? The customer would say yes, and he'd submit his email address. The follow-up email is then set up to follow up with him to this product. And for the next week, I'd constantly be sending him follow-up emails. The next week, I've set up so that we send him to the next product. Now, you can't be certain if this customer is going to buy immediately. You can't force him to buy, but the best thing we can do is have our product under his nose at all times. So the day that he's ready to buy, you are there and he purchases the product. And just to repeat, the week after, we send him through to that product. The week after, we send him to a new offer. The week after, we send him to a new offer, a new offer, a new offer again, and so it repeats. Now imagine if you have 1,000 or 5,000 or even 10,000 customers all circulating at different stages. So what this gives me is an opportunity to make $5, a $20 sale, a $100 sale, a $500 sale, a $1,000 sale, a whole bunch of recurring income, all while I'm sleeping, while I'm on holiday. This system does it for me automatically. Now the nice thing is, the more traffic I send to the system, the harder the system works for me. And it works for me while I'm sleeping, while I'm in the shower. Now that's not all. It gets better. Tomorrow I find a product that is brand new. Nobody's selling it, is about to launch. So let's put it here for instance. There's your brand new product. Now what I do is I go into the little autoresponder, and Get Response has the capability of doing it. It takes me about 10 minutes. I type up a little email and say, oh, I've just discovered this brand new opportunity to make money, and I send that email to all 5, 10, 20,000 people I have on my list. What happens is, boom, I have instant sales. Now, some of them you miss, some of them you hit strong. You can't hold all of them all the time. But what's nice is, if this product performs, what I do is I add it to my autoresponder, and it just keeps sending traffic to this as well. So let's recap. You need traffic, you need products to sell, and you need a system. Get Response is the answer, and that is how you do 10K affiliate marketing every month.